Welcome to EduFirst online learning platform. Today in our computer science section, we are going to be treating application software. Presenting to you by Amonatullahi Akorede ISMAIL. The topic outline. First, we are going to look at the overview of our last class. Then after that, we are going to define what application software is. Then the category of application packages will be treated, and the packages for special area will be looked into. The objectives of this class. At the end of this class, you should be able to define application software, state the categories of application software. The overview of our last class. If you can recall, we treated what computer software is. Then after that, we treated the system software, then the application software. But in our last class, we only treated what system software is. Then we cite some example and the types of system software. Now, let's go into the business of today. What is application software? Application software is a program or group of programs designed for the end user. It helps the user in completing tasks such as writing a letter, doing online research, designing graphics, keeping an account log, doing calculation, and even playing games. Application software makes the computer to perform useful tasks beyond the running of the computer itself. Now, the category of application software. We have different category of application software, and one of the category of application software is word processing. This application is used for documentation, and it is also used in formatting and printing documents. Example of word processor are MS Word, Google Docs, and PowerPoint. All these applications, we have many word processing applications, but this is just 3 examples out of it. We also have database software. This is used to curate and manage database. Database software helps with the organization of data. Example of this is MS Access and MySQL, etc. We also have multimedia software. Multimedia software is the software that is able to play, curate, or record image, audio, or video files. They are used for video editing, animations, graphics, and image editing. Example of multimedia software are: number 1 is Adobe Photoshop, Windows Movie Maker, and Windows Media Players, etc. Now we move to the web browser. Is one of the category of application software, and these applications that we normally use to browse, they help us in locating, retrieving data across the web. And some of the browser that we normally make use are the Google Chrome, then the Instant Explorer, then the Opera Mini, and the US browser. We have many application software. We have many web browser, but these are the ones that are going to be citing in this class. Then the graphics software. This software helps the user to edit or make change in virtual data or image. It comprises of pictures editors and illustration software. Example are Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, and Modo, etc. Now, the special area for the special packages, packages for special area in application software. We have some application in accounting. We have software in accounting. We also have payroll programs. We have banking software. We also have education management software. We also have statistical software and hospital management software, etc. And the class fund we are going to give ourselves is that we should try to do this. The first one is that we should state the example or the difference between application software and system software. And two, we should mention other application software packages known to us. We should submit this assignment to gmail.edufirst@gmail.com. Thank you. Enjoy your class and remember to stay digitalized.